Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a drawer in Flutter. Let's create our stateful widget first. Let's first import material package, then create our scaffold. I'm gonna use my snippet and name it drawer, okay, drawer. Then let's give it a title to app bar. I'm gonna name it Drawer Tutorial and let's create a body, put some text in the center, name it this is the center, okay. Then let's create our drawer. Let's see what we have here. Now we have something like this. Now let's create our drawer. To create drawer, there is a property for it, parameter, and I'm gonna just type drawer here, and you see, we can see our drawer here, left corner. Let's go inside and create a child, make it list view, then we should delete the const keyword, okay, and children, and I'm going to create a user account drawer header. This looks more better, you can use anything you want. Let's give it an account name. Let's make it Code Diaries and an email name. Make it codediaries@gmail.com. Let's save it and see what we have here. So we have something like that. It's look pretty good, right? Now let's create an current account picture, and I'm gonna use clip all here and give child image dot asset. We should delete the const keyword again. It puts automatically because of the some settings. And I have my logo and banner here. You can edit if you want. Where is our page? Okay. And assets, images, logo.png. Now we can see our picture here. And now I'm gonna create, let's create a decoration, box decoration. I'm going to give it a banner, the behind, and decoration image, decoration image, and asset image. Now let's give our banner here, assets, images, banner.png. We should give fit property, fit box fit cover. Now it covers here. So we should do one more thing here. You see that right line here, right? It's not looking good. To prevent it, we're going to add padding here, and we're going to set padding to 0. Now it looks better, right? You should always use this padding to see more clearly. Now actually the drawer is like this, and let's look better to this, and I'm going to create list tile. So let's give the title account, maybe account, and what we can give here, trailing, maybe icons dot forward, like this, and we can copy paste here. Let's say notifications, settings, and more info, like this. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you liked the video, you can subscribe to my channel.